Oh, this bump though has been a very bright light in the sky. Go outside after this bump, you'll see this very dark, no, very bright star in the sky. Of course, I wanted to go see it, but I realized it was cloudy, so I couldn't see it. What is it? The North Star? Absolutely not. The North Star, also called Polaris, is actually the 48th brightest star in the galaxy. The Dark Star, nope, that's Sirius, which isn't visible at this time of the year. So, in fact, there aren't really many bright stars visible right now, so what is it? Could it be a planet? Almost certainly. Exactly what you're seeing depends on what direction you're looking at the sky. However, you notice as an object shines very brightly. It's very likely to be a planet. How to exactly identify what it actually is? You're actually looking at Jupiter, which is the Hubble Space Telescope that snapped the rainbow filter, the gas giant at a stunning magnitude, giant at a magnitude of negative 2.4, high in the mountain southern sky right now. As seen from the northern hemisphere, it's unmistakable. It was at its best back in its opposition in July 2020, but it's still a great sight from 4.8 astronomical units, distance from the sun to the Earth. If you have a pair of binoculars, then that point you'll see it's full of its moon, Cassio, Io, Ganymede, Europa. They'll appear as pinpricks of light around Jupiter, but in a line. One incredible sight, you'll see that Jupiter has 799 moons, could soon be 600. However, it's almost incredible that another planet is looking by. Look to left of Jupiter, you'll see the ring planet Saturn. If it was 10 times dimmer than Jupiter, its magnitude 1.3 planet is easy to see with the naked eye. Want to see the rings? Get yourself behind a backyard telescope. People only see a glimpse. After all, Saturn, opposition to 2020, is only 9 RU from us. While these two gas giants, while you catch these two gas giants are on the way insane, and the rest are moving, though by late December they'll be invisible to us through before the quake construction, which occurs on December 2020. On that date, it'll be only 0.5 degree apart and appear to shine as one to the naked eyes. What is the bright red star and you're looking at Mars? The red planet soon to come to opposition in October 14th, 2020, when the Earth moves between the Sun and the planet. At the time, the planet in question gets closer as it gets so bigger, because it's 100% illuminated from a point of view. It's as bright as our night sky. Opposition also means by definition it rises into the east and sets at west in dawn for whereabouts. Mars is the second smallest planet of the solar system behind Mercury. It's now standing at a magnitude of minus 0.4. And yes, they go over other planets as well, Venus as well. Though very brightly due to a few hours before sunrise, that's Venus. It's standing at a magnitude of negative 4.1. Venus has called touch space that hugely reflective as well. And yeah, there we go, 75% illuminated by the time of the rain. And yeah, also planets are found the elliptic path the sun takes the daytime sky, since sources is full flat, and planets are all over the sun in the same plane. More or less, you'll find that planets are on the elliptic line of the sky essentially stretches between east and west. Only from the equator does it pass overhead. Right now in the northern hemisphere, the elliptic is about midway up from the horizon, with thus being the planet blind from planets rise in the east and more elliptic in the southern sky in the west. So yep, there we go. That is the mystery giant star in the sky. And yep, that's basically it about this video. Goodbye.